Hi everyone, Adam Dufresne, Ottawa Business Coach coming to you. Just wanted to talk to you this week about your vision, mission, and value statements. I know these things, a lot of the times they seem like they're very corporate things, and corporate gets these wrong all the time. You look at big business and they generally have poor ones, but realistically this is one of the most important conversations you can have in your business. It really does provide guiding lights if done properly. Let's get in first and foremost to the vision. The vision should be your ultimate definition of success. It should be the strategic intent of your company. It should be something that motivates you. It should be something that motivates others. It should be more than just a fluff piece, but it really should be your ultimate definition of what success is for the organization. It can be a long time having this conversation, trying to get it just right, but trust me, if you get it just right, it's very, very important. And try and remove any of the fluff, the niceties, the wordsmithing, and all that type of stuff. Try and take that out there and make it as simple as possible, as well as powerful. The second portion of it is your mission statement. When we talk about your mission statement, we're talking about things that are very strategic. We're talking about what you're going to do, how you're going to do it, why does the company exist. All of these types of questions really need to exist for your mission. Your mission is really going to define how you're going to achieve that overall vision. The vision should be something that stays constant. The mission might change a little bit from time to time based on the market that you're in. It might change often. Based on the market, it might not change for a very long time. We have different types of markets will have different reactions to their mission based on changing environmental things. We all know the internet makes things change so quickly now, so you might have to change this on a regular basis. The last portion I want to talk to you about is really that value statement. Now, the values that we're talking about, these should not change. There's 4 different categories of values that I want you to compartmentalize in your head. The first one I'm going to talk about is the one that most people end up thinking about when they think of values, and these are permission to play values. Permission to play values do not mean much in the grand scheme of things. Permission to play values are things like integrity, honesty, this sort of stuff. None of that is very powerful, and none of that really matters because they're permission to play. If you're dishonest, if you have no integrity, you probably shouldn't be in business anyways. Second type of value that I want you to think about is the type of value that normally gets linked into what my core values are right now, and they're called aspirational values. What an aspirational value is just what it sounds like. It's something that you aspire to. It's a value you want to hold. It's a value you want to embody. It's a value you want to live. But currently, right now, you're not living it on a day in, day out basis. So we're going to compartmentalize those into the aspirational values. The third type of value I want you to compartmentalize in your head, these are the core values, and this is going to be the crux of what you do. This is the crux of your business. Your core values are values that exist today already that are core to who you are, and they can't be integrity, they can't be honesty, they need to be descriptive, and they need to be your own words. If you use something like integrity, I already have my own definition for what integrity is, so you have a hard time redefining that if that's one of your values. So pick values that are your own, make them your own completely. Use your own headings for them. Use your own descriptors for them. Take some time and work through these. And I'll tell you right now, if you have more than 5, I'd like to see 3 really. If you have more than 5, you're missing the mark, because that will cause too much confusion among what the values of the company really are. The last one that I want you to think about, and this happens when you have an organization of 2, 3, 4, 5 plus, the more people you have, the more often this happens, is the not the aspirational values, but the accidental values. Accidental values, to give you a perfect example of this, let's say you have a company of 4 people, and all of a sudden one day you're looking around and you notice that everybody plays either hockey or soccer or baseball or some type of sport. Well, one of your accidental values is going to be athleticism or competition or things like that. The reason why understanding what your accidental values are is so important is that if you don't take the time to identify your accidental values, they might creep in and become your core values, and those accidental values may not provide any real value to your overall vision. Does that make sense? We need to take stock of them and wherever possible, guard against them, or wherever possible, help them flourish as well, because there'll always be a couple of accidental values that come into the mix. Those 3 key areas of your business will help immensely as you move your business through the stages and get past those critical stages and keep a sustainable business. If you ever need any help with any of this stuff, please give me a call. I hope this video helps you understand some of those things and how to put them into place. And if you ever need anything, please do give me a shout. Until next time, cheers.